Spirit of Texas, Unit 1, Texas State Symbols. Texas is a big state, and a big state means many things to many people. If someone asks you to describe Texas, you might talk about the land, the animals, the food, the plants, the flag. All of these aspects can be described in words, but they can also be reflected as a symbol. A symbol is a picture or design that represents a thing, an idea, or an action. States often designate popular or native objects or characteristics as emblems to reflect what is commonly seen and valued by its citizens. As you will learn, Texas is very large and contains many different regions. That means there are also quite a few symbols selected to reflect the diverse characteristics of our state. Although it might sound like a simple process, these selections are in fact not official until they are formally designated by the Texas legislature. First, someone must submit their symbol idea. Then it has to be approved by the Texas House of Representatives, the Senate, and the governor. You can find a list of these resolutions and the date these symbols were officially designated at the following website. 6 flags have flown over Texas since 1519. The Spanish, French, Mexican, Republic of Texas, Confederate, and United States of America flags. The current Lone Star state flag originally served as the Republic of Texas flag from 1839 to 1845. When Texas joined the Union, this same flag continued to fly over Texas, but as a state rather than the flag of the Republic. At that time, another star was added to the United States flag, giving our country's banner a total of 28 stars. The Texas flag uses the same colors and meanings as the United States flag. The blue of the perpendicular stripe along the left side of the flag stands for loyalty. The white of the star in upper horizontal stripe stands for purity and liberty, and the red lower horizontal stripe stands for courage. As you learn more about the history of Texas in the upcoming units, you will find this desirable land has been claimed by 6 different countries. From theme parks to historical museums, these 6 flags are often lined up on display in order of their claim on the territory. The Texas Pledge. Most people know the American Pledge of Allegiance, but do you know the Texas Pledge? The Texas legislature instituted this pledge in 1933. Many students in Texas classrooms and homeschools now start their day with both the American and Texas pledges. Before you recite the pledge, be sure to face the flag, remove your hat if wearing one, and place your right hand over your heart. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. The state song, Texas Our Texas, was written by William J. Marsh and Gladys Yoakum Wright. It was selected as the official state song after a contest sponsored by the state legislature in 1929. The Texas State Seal, affixed to official state documents and seen on the floor of the Texas State Capitol, has undergone several changes over time, but is still very similar to the original design adopted in 1836. The Texas Constitution describes the Great Seal of Texas and notes the front side must consist of a star of 5 points, encircled by olive and live oak branches, and the words, The reverse side of the Great Seal is quite interesting and colorful. In 1991, the legislature decided the reverse side of the seal would have a shield, with the lower half divided into 2 parts. The Gonzales Come and Take It cannon is depicted on the bottom left section, and Vince's Bridge is shown on the lower right. On the upper half of the shield is an image of the Alamo. Live oak and olive branches circle the shield, and the 6 flags which have flown over Texas encircle the shield and the branches. Remember, the Alamo and Texas One and Indivisible are found above and below the shield. A 5-pointed lone star sits at the top, centered between the flags.